What's up, guys? It's March 21st, 2024. Bulls got the gap up, but it looks like a pretty lame pullback, a lot of overlap. So, gap up, bar one, no continuation. I'm going to talk about the first 6 bars, leg one, leg two moves, and where we are in the market cycle. Kind of like a breakout. So, bar one, of course, I have to sneeze right when I start this video. Okay, bar one is a bear bar, no continuation for the Bulls. Bar two looks like a reversal bar. Bar three races to new highs and then sells off, closing around the 2 bar range. Bar four looks like a big reversal bar. It's the first, it's the second reversal, I guess. Leg one. This starts the channel phase. Leg two, pull back leg three. So bar five looks like bulls bought the lows and they go for a test of the highs. They try and get the breakout and they barely get it. It ultimately fails. I think this is 3 pushes up from a leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. And that creates a wedge top and it sells. But it fails. Bar 14 is no follow through. And then this becomes an outside bar. It trades under bar 14 and above it reverses to the highs. Bar 15 is follow through. I bought that. I got trapped. Bar 16 looks like a double top here. Or excuse me, I said this is 15, 16. Bar 16 is follow through. That's the bar I bought. Bar 17 is like a double top. And then they sell off into the EMA. There's still a bull gap open with these bars this low and this low. The market is consolidating on above the EMA, and bulls go for a few legs higher. They get a leg one here, a pull back leg two, pull back leg three, pull back leg four, channel, and bar 36 reverses from the highs, creating like a double top. The market sells off for the rest of the day. It's a tough sell. It's like it's a bear channel, but bulls are oh that was bad. It's a bear channel, but bulls are making money. Lots of legs. So bar 38. Nope. This is the minimum follow through bears need for bar 37. But it's not a bull body. Bar 39. It's like bears are trying to break out below the EMA. Bar 40. Kind of looks like a wedge now with what I did there. Leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, wedge. Bulls get a few bars higher, but that ultimately just becomes a pullback, a bear flag double top. Bar 43 looks like it's breaking below the EMA. Bar 44 is bad follow. Bar 44 is bad follow through. Bar 45 pulls back into the EMA, and bar 46 reverses. Bears are getting legs, lots of overlap. It's going lower, but it's sideways for a lot of bars, and then 2 bars lower. And sideways, then 2 bars lower. So yeah, leg one, pull back leg two, and then bulls pull back into the EMA, and bears get another breakout below this range here. This bar 51 gets followed through 52, and 52 gets followed through, oh excuse me, I'm getting the numbers one slide over. This is 51, no this is 52. 52 is a pullback into the EMA. 53 is follow through with 52, and 54 is follow through with 53. Looks like they try and sell off but fail and pull back into the EMA. Creates another sort of bear flag here, and that goes for a couple bars lower and then it goes sideways into the EMA. It's a pretty tough day. Like it's 2 bars, look, 1 bar down, 3 bars sideways. Maybe 1 bar down, 1, 2, 3, 4 bars sideways. 1, 2 bars down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars sideways. 2 bars down and then sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I already counted that so wrong. But you guys get what I'm saying, and it's range bound here. Let's go to leg one, leg two moves today. It was a tough day to do leg one, leg two moves in ranges. There's one. First pullback here. That was met. That was also creating a wedge top. This is another type of leg one, leg two move. Leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, pull back leg four. Wedge top sells. I think this is the second leg for these bars here as well. So something like this. Well, not like that. Something like this. This is more of a range day, so it's buy low, so high. Here, I think is a fractal legs down. leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4. It's just on the 5 minute, it's just a bear channel to the EMA. Bears go for a second leg here and fail. Bulls reverse and tag the highs again. Do leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. That's not met really. Bar 28 low is the pullback. It's kind of met, but I'm being nice about it. It's met here if we do 26 body. A lot of overlap. These aren't breakout trades. It's not a good day for me to trade. Yeah, I've been trying to focus on breakouts. It's like legs and trading on the market cycle. Bears get the breakout here. This is a bear channel, so it's very easy to count legs. I mean, like, you know, what I mean by that is like count 3 legs and then go long. I did that a couple times. So leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4, pull back leg 5. If you're going with opposite bars, that's how you count it. Or if you were just doing a channel line, it really wouldn't be too many legs breaking, unless this could be a channel line that breaks. Here's a channel line, breaks. So pretty tough. Where are we in the market cycle? We broke out above yesterday's high, so it's a bullish breakout, but we're pulling back a lot. Higher time frame EMA is catching up. Look at we got follow through at highs, but it's pretty bad follow through. 45-minute chart looks like a higher high double top, and we pull back into the EMA. Somewhat of a bear flag, or it could become a double bottom bull flag. Interesting to see what happens this weekend. So where we are in the market cycle. The market cycle is breakout, channel phase starts with the first pullback, first opposite bar. Then the channel phase, and then the range phase. And the range phase can test previous breakout levels. Today was a short one. It's really pretty boring day. Drop some questions. I appreciate you guys watching videos and asking questions. I'm looking forward to, I don't know, just getting to know everyone. You guys are dropping more questions, so that's gonna be fun. Hope you guys are using your stop loss and doing good. Today was a red day for me, so not the best. A lot of overlap, but maybe tomorrow will be better. I do want to pass this account pretty fast because it's a 1-day pass here, so if we get that trend day, I may go for a quick pass, but we'll see. I like scalping. It's tough. It's definitely hard to scalp in these kind of days. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing good. Tell me what type of trades you're taking. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good weekend. Stay safe. Use your stop loss. Study a lot. I'm going to do some practice day trading maybe this weekend. Practice day trading. I said that's so weird. I meant to say like replay. But yeah, have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.